you guys coming to St. Vincent. Boom! Yeah boy! Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Vinci Vibe Plus. It's not really exciting day here today in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Well, so far I have not heard of any deaths or anything. What I'm speaking about, exactly what I'm speaking about, you know what I'm speaking about. I'm speaking about the passing of Hurricane Beryl, and I'm gonna start right in my yard. I'm in my mom's yard right now, and I'm gonna show you the damage it caused just in the back. Alright, and as I said, I have not heard of any deaths. I have some other places that I'm gonna show you around the neighborhood. Some people lost their roofs, a whole lot of things, guys. Right, so right away you can see in the backyard right here, some plum tree. Look at this, guys. Breadfruit tree. And the breadfruit tree, the big limb was broken from there, and it's on the neighbor house. That's where, let me show you it. Look at that, guys. On the neighbor's roof. And so many plums was on this tree. So many plums was on this tree. You see where it broke from? It broke there, and the only thing is remaining is that. That is the only thing that's remaining. As you can see, I'm dressed in my my high visibility shirt. You know, it's one day after the passing of Hurricane Beryl. So yes, guys, this is the backyard. This is the damage that it caused. This is the only thing that has been damaged here in this vicinity. And there's a lot of plum here, guys, and the majority of them is green. What I did yesterday, I came out with a bucket, and the ones that were full, I picked them off and put them in a bucket. But those that are still green, I can't do anything with them. So a little while from now, I'm gonna get busy, get a chainsaw and start cutting up all these, and get a truck and try get them by the landfill. Alright, we're gonna move out from here. I'm gonna show you the rest damage in the neighborhood. Alright, stay tuned. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe as usual. Alright, let's go. We're moving again. Alright guys, another spot. Well, this is just behind this is my brother's house, and where I just came from is just below of this house where I'm living. And just behind my brother's house, you can see the whole siding of this house, all the blocks. Everything is underground. Over here, if you come and you look over here, you can see down in the town of Barley. And believe me, guys, yesterday, when you look at this water, yesterday, it was very, very rough. Look at that. But notice all those trees over there, broken. Yes. And as I said, the good thing is nobody died. I didn't hear of any casualties, so that's a good thing. All the blocks gone. Alright, moving down, guys. Moving down. I'm gonna show you now the house that, and you know what you guys call zinc, we call it galvanized here. That's the roofing, right? There's a roofing that's left the house, and now it's hanging on a pole. I'm ready for it. Nice, look.
No, me sure if you come, man.
Alright guys, this is the house. This is the house right here. See? Look at that. Totally gone. Totally gone, guys. Yo! I see you say whatever Max boy. Yes guys, see the damage? Yeah man, this house roof is totally gone, and I'm gonna show you where some of this end up. Some went through a neighbor's window, broke it, and some is hanging right now on a electricity pole right now. Mr. Chris in the back there, Mr. Bennett Chris. So you're doing some cleaning up?
Boy, yeah. Everything in the red right now.
Yeah.
Everything in the red.
Yeah. So guys, check it out. Look up there.
Big Max!
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, we outside. We outside.
Look at that idea. The bally.
Why go for that?
Just now, that was the way the man get up there. Eh? Eh?
Yes guys, so see this is some of the zinc galvanized. The galvanized that came out the other house, fly through this window. Fly through this window right here.
Fly trans sticking on me yesterday. I don't make noise. Me serve there for 45 years. So it mash up me whole window.
We can't do max up. So where to go this man? Where to go Max? Where to go up? Alright guys, so we are here with Viola. You see the roof I was telling you about with the galvanized? Not flown off, that one over there. Yeah. That came from over there. And straight through this window. Right here.
Straight to the window there.
Straight through this window here guys. Yeah.
Mash up the window.
So what are you telling us guys?
Eh?
What are you telling the people then? How was the wind?
Well, hello. Since
Right,
me
no.
know me, what? I terriblest one me ever go to as God. Me know me go to it already. Me no want no come like this. When me dey inside and me hear blab me soil, me porch roof gone. But when me come out now, I want galvanize. Me I see through the window. Through the window, me I see the galvanize. So me realize now. So when me come out and me look, me hear somebody tell me a Grace house you saw one galvanize fly through and stick in there. No?
Wow.
Boy, that was a terrible thing. But different than that, boy, drop on the house, drop on your son, drop on Danny house there. And look Danny house there, and he got.
See this sink right there guys? So that's the impact.
Praise God, nothing else terrible not happened to me, but
Yeah.
if wasn't the wind, the house roof alone,
Right.
nothing else happened to me. So praise God and me thank Jesus that me is okay.
Yeah.
And everybody okay too.
Yeah.
Only the problem with the house roof and
So guys, that's why we are saying we are happy that nobody get injury, nobody die.
nobody get it.
Yeah, just some house roof and a couple of trees split into one thing. Yeah, so we're still gonna go around the neighborhood and check some of the damages. Alright. Scott, you want to tell me by weather?
Yeah?
You want to tell me by weather yesterday? Huh?
That could do that. That save you.
Nah, ask you by weather yesterday.
Yeah, been bad.
So by weather meeting in the house?
I'm praise God, we still alive today.
Well, yeah, by meeting in the house?
Yeah?
In your house? Sanji Crow, beat the rain. Beat the rain, the bossa. So guys, as you can see right now, work is going on. These guys are trying to cover back this side of the house before the rain starts again. Watch it! Guys, follow me. We're gonna start from this side and then we're gonna make our way out to the end of back long glass. So you see here for safety, the guys brought their boats. They brought their boats up in the yard. Look at the amount of damage, guys. And you can see that water was running all here. Yeah, man. What?
You know what them?
Check this out, guys. Check this out.
Yo, this is serious. Serious. I run these blocks. I watch them.
Guys, this is a building just completed. I'm not sure if it's 100% completed, but look at that on the wall, crack already.
Yeah, you have to do over.
Look at that. Crack. Come. Alright my people, so we are approaching our local gas station. So, there has been some damage, that's what I heard. I have not seen anything as it. So we're gonna go check it out now. Yeah, so this is it. This is the local gas station here. So there's only one pump here now.
So the one break out.
And the one is gone.
I love the water, I'm not coming up. I love the water, I'm not coming out back up in the road there. Water not coming.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna see if we can get some people to interview and ask them how was it in the weather, because a lot of people never experienced anything like this. So we're gonna ask some of them, interview some of them and ask them what were their actions like throughout the storm. Yeah.
You give niggas something to smoke with that, you don't know.
Kata AO. Nah, bro. Taco there. Taco there. What's up, man?
We safe, everything clean. We never really damage. See what I mash up the place. How you okay?
Yeah, but with the partner chap you mash up now. One floor drop in, one half, 5 million gone. Half a million gone, monkey billion and sauce. And you lose a lot of drinks. Yeah. Sauce, flooring dropping. When you get the disco, sauce disco, the flooring drop. The last about 20 some cases of beers and liquor and thing now. Monkey building. Half gone.
Which is your soldier?
My soldier now. And my cousin too. And I'm my cousin. So half of his building gone. Yeah, mudfish was gone. Now my next version again. He's just gone again now.
Where's the taco?
Yeah.
The worst experience you ever had?
Yeah, man.
Tell them about this taco, man.
Oh, well, my grandfather 85 years old and
Biggest of the water
tell me he never experienced nothing like this. So me who just like a teenager to him, mister. It was very good, dangerous, but I will still survive. Nobody not dead. We good. Come on, man. Yeah, man.
Hey, up on the block.
Yeah, boy. I did up on the porch up by me, by my granny where I raised up and grew up. We just chilling in the porch, drinking a little thing, you know. All of a sudden, all I hear was the roof, you know, that's the roof, galvanized roof. Then you hear peel right off, it came right off. Strong winds took the thing right off. We're ready for our eyes. First I ever encountered something like that. Tell you, natural, real thing. But you see, boy, I did hill as I said, right? And I look down and I see the wave them so tall. I say, wait, granny, them wave knock over the house down there. But the man said, no, when I came down on the beach front now, the man explain and say, well, no, they break all the way out, you know. If they don't break inside there, trouble. Even worse, disaster. But we are there alive, still don't know nothing go. Mad. Respect.
They now start to do the
Yes, of course. Give life for thanks. Yes, my house will fly up to me up on the roof in the heavy rain. Breeze blowing, the girl is lifting up with me. Boy, terrible. My brother could have lost a life, but give God thanks still. Sure. Everything blessed. Nah, man.
Boy, thank God for your brother too, boy.
Yeah, well, this guy, he's...
Yeah, thank God for his brother.
Yeah.
Thank God for that.
Yeah, he's one of his house roof.
Strength.
It's one of his house roof blow up, so...
Yeah, man.
Thank God. Not no wet up or anything, right?
Nah.
Right.
So, thank God for your brother for giving me that strength.
Yeah. So, in everything you give thanks, you know?
Give thanks.
Could have been worse. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. Because you could have lose your life, you know? So, so go on back. Right. Yeah, coming to hear your story. Yeah, so guys, in everything we're gonna give thanks, you know? Yeah, man, we're moving on to another place.
And if Richie has seen this, Richie you don't know.
Yeah, Richie,
we have a show too. Yeah.
Hello, where was the block there? Eh? Oh, there we just come from. Yeah. So, guys, as you hear, some of the residents, they're saying that they never seen anything like this. You know, the swells, the wind, and the destruction, and you didn't even get 100% of burial, and people are crying like this. Much less if we had like at least half of it. So, still giving God thanks and praise for, you know, because we are still here and just minor damage. Okay, Tush. guys. So if you notice, all the boats here, yeah, they have to move them from close to the beach and put them here because if not, it would have been total destruction. Everything here would have been gone. You know? Yeah. So we're moving along.
You want to make no clothes, yeah? And the clothes me again, I sponsor me some clothes. My house gone wrong there. Boat gone, I know what I go do. Tell Ralph, I say something million we get it. I want some too. Yeah, damn me if you see. I want clothes that you want me the school night last night. And Ralph a laugh and I creep free. Ralph a girl know I'm going to money too. Yeah. Call me boat down there mash up. Walk to come from my yard. Mash them up. I say only 1 point. You see me there say. I go ask some. I'm going to check my house and see water there.
I saw people live there. No, look, my house this so.
I say something.
Yeah, you want to say something else?
Mr. Eddie Pop, yo,
Guys,
yo, we going down here. Get me start.
Boy, you know.
You want to answer that no? Baba, you answer that no? But come now, you have to talk good.
Come and tell them what. That me house and them we live right there.
Hold the camera up on you.
Right this one me live.
Nah, you live there, man.
Why you say that? Why me not go live there? What? We have gone to make a billion to go call for you know. And make sure come and buy me.
Yeah, Ralph, I come and borrow there. We really see you go.
Yeah, show them the place, show them.
Look at that, guys. Guys, and this whole place that you're seeing here, you see where the sun was? So guys, what we're looking at here right now is where they used to process their blackfish. When they catch the blackfish, if you notice there's some bamboo. There's some bamboo right there. That's where they used to dry their blackfish on these bamboos, right on the beachfront here. But if you notice, look at this guys. Completely demolished. Look at that, all the blackfish houses gone. Gone. Gone guys. And this is some people's source of income. That's what they do every day, sell blackfish. And if this is like this, they will definitely be needing some help because they can't do anything else. Look at this. All this garbage that you're seeing, guys, is what came up from the sea. The sea brought all this garbage back in. Colors, sweet, sweet sap. I just pick a sweet sap. Yeah, boy, sugar apple. That was sweet sap. And check this out, guys. Look at this. And this, this did not even go anywhere. This did not even go anywhere. Look at this structure. Throughout all the high winds and everything. Still intact. Still intact. Yeah, so today is a very nice sunny day. You know, Betsy is still there, still intact. Still there, just need a good wash now. Very dirty. Spend the whole day yesterday throughout all the winds and everything. It was here, thank God nothing bad happened to it. None of the glass was broken, no damage to it. So thank God for that. Even all these vehicles that you're seeing, park here, yeah, nothing happened to any of them. Let me put these guys on the flag. Foley and the guys I'll be back bad. Yeah, guys. So guys, we're gonna bring this video to an end. You know, I show you everything. Show you all the damage. Colors say this is an air pipe. That's what they call it, an air pipe. We call it a breather. You breathe through it when you're diving. So I found this one, so I pick it up. Gonna get the steam out and get it ready for diving. So yeah, behind the camera is Phil Roy. Let me show you Phil Roy.
Cameraman.
Yeah. Behind the camera is Phil Roy. So we have been recording now for like more than an hour for sure. So we're gonna bring this vlog to an end right now, guys. So thank you for joining me on this vlog, and I showed you everything that happened in my neighborhood. I don't know for the rest of the neighborhoods because I didn't walk and go there, but thank God nothing major happened. No life has been lost or anything. Alright, so until the next one finds us, I will find the next one. Love God, love people, do good, because good will always follow you. Alright, so peace out and see you in the next one, and keep on praying for SVG. Alright, boom.